Oh, we're live. All right. I should just move this right here. That's so much better. All right. Check, check, check. Okay, cool. So let's see here. Let me get that. Okay. Man, this mouse has just been giving me issues lately. So actually, let's go to the weekly. Wow. So we're green on the week still. Oh yeah, that makes sense. All right. So we're just kind of back to where we were. We had the big move down, YM. It's a little bit more clear here on the stock indices. YM came down and souped these relative equal lows. And then we got the higher time frame SMT off of this low down here. And we didn't get the ES SMT, but I bet, well, on the daily here we did on this up day Wednesday, which the 25th. Let me actually look at what the news, if there was news, significant news there. Wednesday the 25th. Wait, what? Oh, the 5th, not the 20th. So the 5th was non-farm payroll. And oh, that was the ISM services PMI. So that was a level there. We have SMT here to here, here to here on at least on NASDAQ. So yeah, missed that. Got a little tilted and just too tired to really think straight, I guess. But that's what doing this is for, to get the reps in so that I keep seeing what I'm missing and I can be there for the next one, hopefully. So yeah, higher time frame SMT was there. That was the, yep, that was the news low. So that was SMT to a key level. I'm actually going to share that in my little Discord here. All right, so just writing that out. So yeah, SMT that's played out. Nasdaq has taken out the highs. ES has not. Dow Jones has not. So we're actually getting the bearish SMT here. It looks like. Just click on the daily. I just need to mark out anything here. We haven't created a fair value gap. Cool. Makes it easy. Um, on Nasdaq here, we've taken out this range high. So that's interesting. That is very much SMT. Now we need to look at the flows. Bullish flows on SPY, bullish flows on Tide. Okay, so short doesn't look like it's setting up yet. Dow Jones, bearishing, not really mixed, mostly bullish though, but some bearishness in there. Call dump in Russell after being positive all day, and then puts rising, and then coming back down to meet the calls, both negative. Most of the volume is in the calls. So looks like they're mostly selling calls, but it's kind of like the Dow. And QQQ, I'm hoping this one has the bear flow. Yeah. Oh, nope, never mind. Puts were rising all day, though they did sell off a bit into the end of the day, and calls came up quickly. So maybe we're going to get a nice push high and get some bearish flows tomorrow. So yeah, I think that gives me conviction that we probably will head up to these real highs. QQQ hasn't reached those. Okay, cool. That makes things pretty clear. Makes me think that the Russell idea isn't really clear for me anymore. I mean, we took out this low down here, which was, man, I need to mark these news levels out, honestly. Monday the 3rd at 10 a.m. Yep, PMI. This is the PMI. PMI level right there. So yeah, and this was the 5th, which was also PMI. What? Oh, PMI, services PMI and manufacturing PMI. So we do have an SMT there, but it's not what we want to see. But excuse me, I've seen this play out though. So to me, this just shows that we're not ready yet to pump yet. I don't want to see the bullish one happen with Dow being weaker. So we'll see what happens on Russell. I don't really trust it anymore for longs. Maybe on the intraday, then yeah, maybe if we create that nice SMT that I want to see, then yeah, that would make sense. Real quick, Russell did not respect that fair value gobble level. And it just made another one here. But it's kind of already in that order block. So anyways. Um looks like we're gonna get a 4 hour here. Can just use this one. So we got a little 4 hour there now, inverted basically. And then on ES, nothing really. Yeah. Just nice SMT at these lows into here. I'll zoom in and figure that out because I'll have to do it for my review later, but we'll do that later. So yeah, I mean it is looking like we may get a short. Um, Obviously the move down happened and we got SMT, so the short I wouldn't look for it to be super crazy, but it may want to like come back and resoup this level that I'm here once we're up into there. And we're kind of creating relative equal highs here currently. But as always for the short, I want to see ES SMT with NASDAQ. It seems like we may even have something going on. Let's see. Nope, not really. But yeah, interesting. So yeah, it's gonna be basically right now looking still for longs, but being pretty cautious. Um, So yeah, here was it. Oh, here was the SMT here into the open. Dow Jones came for another low, and then on the high time we've also came for another low, um, and then ES. Was it not? Fields. Maybe I'm missing something. Maybe it was just on here. Oh, yeah, it only happened here on the stocks. Did it not? No, we did take out that low. Okay. There was SMT. It was literally on the 1 minute though. Right into the open. Which is just kind of tough because oh, there is SMT there. Oh my gosh. Tough one. But yeah, SMT and then just to confirm it even more, SMT into that order block. So that could have been a good long. Just a tough one to catch, but I mean I should be taking note of these and being aware that these are good. So but yeah, as for now we have, taken out liquidity. So not a ton to say here. There was bullish SMT here with Russell. So yeah, maybe we do get that nice long later. Looks like they're gonna send it again overnight. We got S&P right there to the close. Weird. And tomorrow we had CPI. Tomorrow's PPI at 8:30. So yeah. Um, this does look good for a long, but I just don't like this wick. And since Nasdaq's taking this high, I just don't trust longs. I would rather wait for um, the morning and wait for the news to give me some sort of soup manipulation, probably down into this. So looks like I'd want to take these smooth lows out and use the wick as the entry type thing. But we'll see. I mean, we got some right here too, right back into that order block. So, and then that's right at the stock session close. So, yeah, I mean, that looks like a long right now, but missed it and not my type of trade anyways. I can't even do it. So, as for the regular stock hours, yeah, they're just the same levels. Yeah, same levels. I don't really need to mark anything out yet. It's going to be more about tomorrow morning and how we end up moving overnight. I think we may get a little pullback. So looking for ES to Nasdaq to make the low since it's delivered to the highs already. But I would also still look for the Dow SMT to align with that either way. So going to be looking for a long until we take out some sort of highs. But all right, yeah, that's basically it. And if we do get a pullback, like into the open at least, like we open down, that would actually make me think that um that was the bear premium and then we're gonna rip. But if we come up and then like into the open we're up and then we come down, yeah, just that'll just change like the timing of when we come down and like if we're up first and then we're into the open because then yeah, that means they're gonna be able to take their positions off. So just gonna keep that in mind. But yeah, all right, that's the plan. Adios.